Hello there. Today we will learn how to calculate the square root of any number. So you have written so many numbers and we have to calculate the square root of these numbers. So before we start, first write down, this is the technique that you have to write it down the square of first nine. That is a 0 square equals a 0, 1 square equals 1, 2 square equals 4, 3 square equals 9, 4 square equals 16, 5 square equals 25, 6 square equals 36, 7 square equals 49, 8 square equals 64, 9 square equals 81, and the famous 10 square equals 100, and I insist at least two extra, that is 11 square equals 121 and 12 square equals 144. So at least we should remember the first 9 or 10. So I believe when you remember first 9 or 10, the entire calculation of the square root will become easier for you. Easy? So let's zoom it and start it. How to calculate? So to calculate the square root of any number within 3 seconds, literally, when you practice a lot, you will literally get the square root in 3 seconds. So calculate square root of any number in 3 seconds, we have to follow the two rules. The two rules are, the first one is start with a face. Easy, let me change the color. So start with a face, that is the first two digit. So face of any number is the first two digit. So we start with the face. So suppose here we example take of square root of 729. So the face will be the first two. Easy, and especially the first one, 9. And remaining will be the target. Remaining will be the target. For example, the square root of, for example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is also 29. So the face will be 29 and the rest of them will be the target. So this will be the target and this will be the face. So doesn't matter whether there is 10 more digits here, doesn't matter here 12 more digits here. So the regarding the first two digit, so regarding the first two, suppose this is 434, so regarding the first two digit, it will be automatically called the face and the remaining will be called target. And the next rule is target versus calculation is the winner. So just remember these two rules and I'll make you calculate within 3 seconds. The first rule is start with the face, that is the first two digit, and target versus calculation equals the winner. So let's start the calculation. The first number that we are going to calculate is square root of 169. Easy. So square root of 169. So let's focus on this one. So 9. So we know from the unit digit here that either the square root of 3 is 9 or either the square root of 7 is 49. So 9 is also here. So two chances are there. Either it will be 3 or either it will be 7, 9. Others, we do not have 9 anywhere. Easy. So there are two chances here. So in 69, sorry, let me erase it. It will be very easy. Just stay tuned with me. So for 69, there are two chances. Either it is 3 or either it is 7. Now the face work is done. So let's erase it. 69 is done. So let's remove it. For 1, 1 square is 1. We know 1 square is 1 because if you take 2 square, it will be 4 and it will be bigger than 1. So 1 square is 1. So write 1. Easy. Now, so in the first place it is 1, but there is a confusion between the second place. Either it is 3 or either it is 7. Easy. So here comes our second rule. So what we have to do, we have to write 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1. Any number here, you have to multiply with the next number, that is 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1, that is 2. 1 multiplied by 2 equals 2. So this 2, this is the calculation. We have calculation 2. So the calculation versus target is the winner. So our calculation, that is 2. So 2 is bigger than our target. Easy. That means the target here, it's smaller than the calculation, so the smaller number will be the winner. So the final answer will be 1 and 3 will be the winner, 7 will not be the winner, because our target, after the phase, everything there is target. So as our target is smaller than the calculation, the smaller number will be winner. So let me give you another example to make it even more clear. So stay tuned with me. So this was 169. Easy. So our next number is 729. Square root of 729. So let's take it. Square root of 729. This is face. Again, it is 9. So 3 or 7 are the chances. And the remaining target after 2 remaining is 7. So we know 2 square equals 4. 3 square equals 9. So if you take 3 square, it will be bigger than 7. So the immediate before is 2 square, 4 is 9. So let's write 2. So 2 will be multiplied with 2 plus 1, that is 3. So 2 multiplied by 3, that is 6. 6 is the calculation. So our target 7 is bigger than 6, our calculation. So as the target 7 is bigger than the calculation 6, so bigger number will be the winner, and that is 27 is the right answer. 27 is the right answer. Easy. So next, there are so many things. Let me explain you. Once you are done with this video, you will easily calculate the square root of any number literally within 3 seconds if you practice a lot. So next is square root of 3364. Square root of 3364. Easy. So this is the face. So we have chances of 2 or 8, because 2 square is 4, 8 square is 64. There is also 4 here. So now this job is done. So let's erase it. So now focus on this 3. 33. We know 5 square equals 25. 6 square equals 36. So if you take 6 square, 36 will be bigger than that. So let's adjust within 5 square, 25. So the immediate previous number, that is 5. 5 square, 25. So we have write 5. So 5 will be multiplied with 5 plus 1, that is 6. So 5 multiplied with 6, that is 30. So as 33, our target is bigger than the calculation 30, bigger number will be the winner. So 8 comes here. So 58 is the answer. Easy. So next, so I'm just improving the speed without explaining much. So for the next calculation, I'll be improving the speed. So next is 1225. So the square root of 1225. So that is face. No other chances other than 5. Don't have any 5. 12. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. So 16 will be bigger. 3 square is 9. So 3 multiplied by 4, that will be 12. So as 12 is equal to 12, so 5 will be the answer. That means 125. It will be the answer. Easy. Now next is 158. Clean it up. Sorry. 158 and 76. Yes. 158,000. Sorry. This is 176. So let's clean it up. Yes. So this is the face. 76. So 6. So we have 6 square is 36 and 4 square is 16. So 6 also there. So 6 and 4, anything. So 158. So 13 square will be 169 and 12 square is 144. So 144 can be adjusted. So 12 square, that is 144. So we can write 12. So this 12 will be multiplied with 13. So 12 multiplied with 13 will be 159. So as 159, it's so our target is smaller. So number 4, so there will be 124 is the final answer. So easy. So if you know any shortcut formula than this, then please comment below. Let me revise it with you so that you can easily recall it. That is any number. Suppose 100, 2 to 2, 5. Any number, just look at the face. Only one option. Then check the target. Then that is, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So 3, like that. So you can easily manage. So the first one that I have already mentioned here, start with the face, the first 2 digit. So after the first 2 digits taken care of, whosoever is there, like how many digits there, all will be called target. So this target will be compared with the calculation. So the calculation, if the target is bigger than the calculation, bigger number will be the winner. If the target is smaller than calculation, then smaller number will be the winner. So like, share and subscribe my channel. If you like my videos, please comment down below and just comment me what else do you want from me regarding calculation and soccer tricks. And stay tuned, subscribe my channel. Thank you for your precious time. Thank you again.